Hi everybody, welcome back to the LEGO Studio. My name is Robbie, and today we're taking a look at some new tables, some new areas to the city. So I recently added this table, and then another one right behind it. So I reintroduced the Renaissance Fair, and the old Black Falcon's Fortress, the old blacksmith. And then I've added in a very small, relatively, train loop over here. It's kind of just tacked on to the rest of the city. Doesn't go through it at all, but it does give me a lot of awesome train action. So, I've got the loop, and then a fake little siding for these engines, and then one that connects at both ends. And then another one that splits off, goes into the other side of the train shed, and over to the cargo crane and rail yard. So, I've also got some random construction vehicles parked here. But the main element, which is still under construction, missing some pieces, but it is the train shed. The early 2000s World City train shed. I think it's set 10027. I have relatively faithfully recreated it, except the main difference, I use dark blue roofs. And they're not fully done yet, I'm missing a few pieces, but they do come off, just like the original. And I've put the middle ones together as one section, albeit a little flimsy. Hope it doesn't break. So yeah, pretty excited with this one. I think the dark blue is cheaper than black anyway. There's a few other colors you could do. I also switched out the gray windows for white. If we swing back around the other side, you can see I've got more windows in place already here. So that's what it's going to look like when it's complete, is substituting the older sized gray windows for the smaller, newer window panes with the dark trans black glass. It is one brick higher for trains to pass through the doors. So everything fits. And I've also added, just for fun, this kind of backup generator and propane tank, which connects up there. Just kind of mimics the color scheme. And then miscellaneous random cargo-y railway bits. I kind of just flung together that building there. I've got some pallets and some crates, some airport stuff, telehandler, then a few forklifts here and there. So, without further ado, maybe let's get some trains run. Okay, so I've got the passenger train ready to go. It is kind of out of place here in the cargo area, but you know, that's all we got. So, one of the things I've done to upgrade my train is I've made the redundant back engine into a baggage car. So basically, I just push this section forward a little bit more, so there's a little less dark blue, but it gives me the room for 2 sets of these doors. Just just sort of fold out. And there's another set, another 2 pairs on the other side. Yeah, if we just compare that, whoosh, to that, you can see the difference. Then if we bring it around to the front, we can see we've got regular bogies, and then we transition into Jacob's bogies. So that is the use of a singular bogie to straddle 2 ends of carriages. Thus, it saves me on pieces. So I've liberated a lot of pairs of wheels, pretty much, let's see, I think it was 8 bogie plates, 8 magnetic couplers, and I think 8 sets of wheels. So by switching it over to the Jacob's bogies, which I still need to kind of come back in and fill in these gaps since these move away, but I've got them all set up until the baggage car. So yeah, you can see those. Pretty cool. Allows me to do a lot of other mock train projects, freeing up the most expensive part. So, pretty excited about that. And the other good thing about it is, besides saving money and parts, so there should, I think, technically be less friction, less wheels, and then the train can't come apart as easy since there aren't those magnetic couplers except for right at the beginning. So yeah, pretty happy with the train shed thus far. More to be done. Really happy with getting some trains actually running in the city here, albeit kind of just over at the one end. Yeah, that makes me very happy. So, good progress. All right, well, thanks for stopping by and checking it out. It is appreciated. Stay tuned for more awesome LEGO videos, and I'll catch you next time.